So very good evening, you people. Today I am talking about 2024-25 academic year physics textbook. There is a lot of changes happening. So the viewers are asking last couple of days onwards how to learn physics 2024-25 academic year exclusively AP NCERT. Today we are talking about the first chapter, light reflection refraction. So last textbook we found different definitions, pole and center of curvature. Center of curvature of a spherical mirror, pole definition is changing from compared to 2019 reflection refraction is there. At the time of 2019, we have a reflection refraction chapter is there in 10th class. So now, what are the difference between that definition of pole and this definition of pole? So let's see the difference here. So see guys, the center of reflecting surface, a spherical mirror, is a point is called pole. So what is the meaning of it? So what is the meaning of it? So what is a spherical mirror? Let's take an example. So there is a change in the spherical mirror diagram also. We should not use the rough surface, we should use like this only. The shaded region only we have to use. The shaded region only we have to use. So as for the previous time, so we are using like this generally. Generally we are using like this the spherical method. But according to 2024-25 textbook, we don't use this diagram. This is the wrong one. This is the wrong one. So this is correct one. So this is correct. This is wrong. So let's say guys here, so this is the diagram. This is the diagram which shows that, so this is called as non-reflecting surface. So this is called as what here? Non-reflecting surface. So non-reflecting surface. So non-reflecting surface. And this is called as what? This is called as what? Reflecting surface. So reflecting surface. So this is which mirror? Concave mirror. This is which mirror here? Concave mirror. So concave, this is the mirror is concave mirror. This is reflecting surface. This is non-reflecting surface. So let's see the definition. Pole, what they said. The center of reflecting surface, the center of reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is a point called pole. So what is the meaning of it? So let us say from here to here. So I drawn once again here, so better to understand in people. So, this is the, so we are using like this only. Don't use it that what do you call it, rough surface diagram. So let us assume in people from here to here 7 centimeters. Let's assume in people the distance from here to here is 7 centimeters. The center of reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is a point called pole. So at 3.5, the center of this reflecting surface, don't confuse you people. Now the reflecting surface, how much distance? 7 centimeters. Let us take another example. Let us take another example. Now the reflecting surface turned into 12 centimeters. So don't confuse you people. So this is 7 centimeters, this is 12 centimeters. Should not take entire sphere. We take only the reflecting surface center. So now where the center? At 6 centimeters. At 6 centimeters. So this is called pole. And here also this is called at 3.5. At 3.5. So what we call it as pole. So I hope you people are understood. So the center of reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is a point called pole. So what is the symbol for pole? P is the symbol for pole. Keep in mind guys, P is the symbol. So P is the symbol, P is the symbol. Keep in mind guys. So let's see another definition which is given. So let's say another definition which is given that the center of curvature of the spherical mirror. So what is the center of curvature of spherical mirror? So let's see guys here. The reflecting surface of a spherical mirror forms a part of a sphere. So the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. So this is the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. So this is the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. This is the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. So reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. So the reflecting surface of spherical mirror forms a part of sphere. That is very very interesting. Forms a part of sphere. Forms a part of sphere. The sphere has a center. So this have a center. Let us say this is C. The sphere has a center. This point is called center of sphere of spherical mirror. So this point exactly called as, this is already we have a, this is already we have a P. This is already we have a P here. This is what known as C. So P is 4 and C is center of curvature. Till now I hope people understood. The reflecting surface of a spherical mirror form a part of sphere. The sphere has a center. This point is called center of the spherical mirror. So C is called what? C is called what? Center of curvature of a spherical mirror. So this is the center. So I hope you people are understood. Now today we are talking about ray diagrams. The difference between 2019, 10th class ray diagrams and 2024-25 ray diagrams. Let's look guys here 2019-20. So 2019-20 ray diagrams. So let's see guys here 2019-20 concave ray diagrams. Concave mirror. So concave mirror, and this side will go with 2024-25 concave mirror. So this is the latest changes. So according to NCERT. This is also according to NCERT only, no doubt. So let's see the difference now, guys. Let's see the difference now. So we found two things here. One is 2019-2020 concave mirror and concave mirror 2024-25. So let's see 2019 how we are getting. So let's see guys here. So in 2019-24, so this is called pole. This is called center of curvature, which is called principal axis. So this is called principal axis. So a ray which is parallel to principal axis, passes through focus, So a ray which is parallel to principal axis, passes through focus. Now I draw a normal line. How to draw a normal line? From point of incident to center of curvature, we will draw a normal line. So that is we have to notice. So where you have to draw a normal line, guys? From normal line you have to draw from point of incident to center of curvature. So this is the first rule one. So what is the rule one, guys? Rule one. So rule one. What is rule one? So what is rule one? A ray which is parallel to principal axis passes through focus. So that is 2019-2020 concave mirror. So let's see in 2024-2025 diagram of rule one. So now we have to change the diagram. We have to change the diagram according to new test rule. So this is the way we have to render the diagram. So we drawn P here, we drawn C here, in between we have an F. So I draw a principal axis. Now second thing is that once again a ray which is parallel to principal axis passes through focus. So there is no change I hope in the rule one. Rule one we don't found much difference. So rule one. So rule one. Next, let's see the rule two. So what is the rule two? So rule two. What is rule two? here P, this is what F, so this is what C. So what is rule 2? A ray passes through, a ray passes through focus. So it must be a straight, keep in mind guys. A ray passes through focus which is parallel to principal axis, keep in mind guys, which is parallel to principal axis. Once again look here, this is rule 2. This is rule 2, this is rule 2, assume. This is rule 1, this is rule 1, rule 1. So let's say the rule 2. So what is rule 2, Mama? So rule 2. So little bit change in the diagram, observe you people. So that observation we must capture. P. This is what here C. This is what F. Now we draw a principal axis. Now I want to draw a principal axis. Once again, a ray passes through focus. A ray passes through focus. Parallel to principal axis. Parallel to principal axis. So parallel to principal axis. So parallel to principal axis. Once again, we draw a normal line. We draw it. So from point of incident to center of curvature. From point of incident to center of curvature, we draw a normal line. So normal line. Let's see third diagram. Let's see the third diagram. So rule 3. What is rule 3? So rule 3. So rule 3. We have to consider rule 3. What is rule 3? So rule 3. What is rule 3? So this is what guys P. This is what guys F. This is what guys C. So a ray passes through. A ray passes through. A ray passes through. So a ray passes through center of curvature with no deviation. With no deviation. A ray passes through center of curvature with no deviation. So very interesting. With no deviation. So here also guys, what you observe? So same thing, rule 3. So rule 3. So rule 3 is what here? So we have to change the diagram, style. So this is what here P, this is what here F, this is what here C, so this is what principal axis. Now once again, a ray which is passes through center of curvature with no deviation, that is very interesting, with no deviation. So this is rule 3. So this is rule 4. Rule 4 we observe we people rule 4. So that you have to capture. Everybody should attention in rule 4. So rule 4, what is rule 4? So rule 4 is what here? Here is rule 4. So let's see here rule 4. So rule 4, what is rule 4? So this is what guys P, this is what guys F and C. This is C. Now rule 4 is what? A ray passes through principal axis. A ray passes through principal axis with no deviation. Here also with no deviations. So but here what is rule 4 in 2024-25 observation? What is rule 4? So rule 4 is like this. So this is one of the observation found. So one of the observation found. This is what guys P. This is what guys F. This is what guys C. Now this is what principal axis. Now a ray incident on pole. A ray incident on pole. A ray incident on pole. So a ray incident on pole will reflected back. So will reflected back. This is P. This is reflected back. So keep in mind guys, keep in mind. So this is angle of incident. This is what your angle of reflection. What is normal line? That is very interesting. What is normal line? Now in this case, PC is a normal line. That is very very important. PC is a normal line. Keep in mind, guys. So PC now act as a normal line. So here from C to point of incident. This is also point of incident. This is center of curvature. Let's look guys here. This is what? This is what? Point of incident to center of curvature drawn in normal. So I hope you people are understood the difference from 2024-25 academic year as well as 2019-2020 concave mirror. So I hope, thank you. Please subscribe my channel.